Now, let me tell you about a couple of women like who've gone through the same process and come out on the other side. Okay, these are real transformations. All right, got it. Now, one of my clients, came to me after seeing, several providers, different providers, over 3 years. She was a senior executive, traveling, constantly running a large team, dealing with enormous pressure. By the time she found me, she had chronic brain fog so severe she was beginning to question whether she could stay in her role, in her current position. She gained weight despite exercising 5 days a week. She felt inflamed all the time, joint pain, skin issues, digestive problems. And she was told repeatedly, everything's fine, everything's normal, you're good. Now, when we ran her comprehensive assessment, found 4 out of the 5 root causes fully active: subclinical Hashimoto's thyroiditis, significant insulin resistance, elevated inflammatory markers, and a complete adrenal exhaustion. Right? She was exhausted. Within 4 months of our protocol, her brain fog was gone, joint pain was gone, skin issues resolved, and she lost 20 pounds. And she told me, like, Dr. T, I feel like I got my brain back. I feel like a new woman. Another client, similar profile, high achieving, over 45, completely plateaued. Couldn't lose weight, couldn't sleep, moody, unlike herself. And within 4 months on her protocol, she lost 25 pounds and says she has more energy now than she did when she was in her 30s. These are not outliers. These are what's possible for you when you address the root, not just the symptoms. Okay? Now, if you resonated with, if you got something out of this, now I want to talk to you about how we can work together, how I can support you. The Empowered Wellness Accelerator is my 12-month private coaching and clinical program. It is designed specifically for executive women over 45 who are done settling for normal and are ready to invest in truly optimal health. Here's what's included in the 12 months. You're going to get the comprehensive diagnostic assessment at the start of our time working together. We address the full 5 root evaluation, so we know exactly what your body needs. Okay? You get a fully personalized restoration protocol built from your data: hormone optimization, metabolic intervention, inflammatory reset, adrenal support, and thyroid management. We do monthly one-on-one strategy sessions with me directly, not a health coach, not an assistant, me. Continuous monitoring and protocol adjustment as your biology shifts and evolves throughout of our 12 months together. We're always tweaking things. And you get access to all of my proprietary resources, all of my educational materials, and a community of high achieving women who are on the same journey as you. And ongoing support in between our sessions so that you're never navigating this alone. Okay? Now, this program is not for everybody. It is an extensive, personalized, high touch clinical experience and requires real commitment in terms of time, in terms of showing up for yourself. And yes, in terms of investment. Now, the investment for the Empowered Wellness Accelerator is $25,000 for 12 months. Now, I want to say something about that number directly because I know how high achieving women think. I'm one of them. And you're probably doing the math right now in your head. Listen, you've invested in your education, your business, your team, your real estate. You have invested tens of thousands and, dare I say, hundreds of thousands in building your career. And this is the first time I want you to think about investing at that level in the infrastructure that runs all of it: your body, your brain, your health. Because here's the truth: if your health fails, none of that even matters. None of that stuff matters. The business, the title, the income, none of it matters. And none of it is accessible to you from a hospital bed or from a place of chronic, debilitating exhaustion. This is not a luxury purchase. It's not a Hermes bag. This is a strategic investment and the most important asset that you have, which is you. And if you watch this entire masterclass and something in you is saying, yes, this is exactly what I need, I want you to apply. Now, the application link is in the description below and in the pinned comment below. Fill out the application. Tell me where you are. I want to know what you've tried and what you're hoping for. Now, my team and I review every application personally. And if there's alignment, we'll schedule a conversation to talk about whether the accelerator is the right fit for you. I do not do sales calls. I do alignment conversations. If it's right, we move forward. If it's not the right time or the right fit, I will tell you honestly, because my goal is to help you. My goal is not to close a deal. Go ahead and apply today. Applications are reviewed on a rolling basis. I work with a limited number of clients, and that is by design, okay? Because the level of attention this program requires means I just cannot do this for everyone. Sis, your body is waiting for this. You have been waiting for this. It is time, honey, time now. Listen, I'm Dr. Tasheema Fair. I am the unconventional OB, and I will see you on the other side. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this with someone who needs it. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.